the fam here. Welcome, welcome, welcome to this week's tutorial. In the first tutorial, we did Canva for your banner, and in this one, we're going to cover how to use banner for your thumbnails. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to show you how to use your banner as part of your thumbnail so it shows your brand. Alright, so the first thing is you open Canva.com, and in this box right here where it says design anything, you're going to type in YouTube thumbnail, which is what we're going to go to next. So hold on for a moment while I take that out and put the next one in to show you. Okay, this is where you're going to type in the YouTube thumbnail right up in there. Okay, and then when you type in the thumbnail, it's going to bring something else up. Okay, it's going to bring, now these I've already done. Okay, what you do is when you download your banner, I'm going to show you, here is my banner. This is the one I'm going to use for this illustration, which we do in steps. I wanted to teach you this step by step so you can tell. This is where it shows your uploads. This is what you're going to click on because this is what you're going to use. Wherever you have your banner, you want to upload that picture. Okay, so I'm going to show you the next step as we go along here. Okay, let me see if I can move me out of the way. So hold on. We'll move this. Let's move me out of the way. I'm going to move me up here so you can see. Okay, so this is your banner. As you can see, this is the way it will show on here. These little lines right here on the sides is how to size it, and you're going to size it to where your banner is, and I'm going to show you that in the next step. So, as you can see, this is what it's going to look like sized. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to do after you size it is you're going to move it to where you want. Let me just click that off because it's not letting me. There we go. So we're going to go and I'm going to show you that. So you see I moved it up, and here you have these so you get rid of this white around here. Don't worry about the white on the bottom because I'm going to show you what to do with that. Okay, so once you get it on the top, the next thing you see it's perfectly sized. Now you can put your banner on the top or you can put it on the bottom. Okay, I chose mine on the top. Now the next thing you're going to do after you do that is you're going to pick whatever picture. As you can see, I chose this picture and I haven't moved it, but it shows where you can move it. Okay, once you have the picture, your next step is to move it down, of course, because you don't want it on your banner. And then you see you still can resize it, which we're going to go and do the next step, which is right here. You see it resized. After you resize it, you're almost done creating your thumbnail. You're going to go onto the top. Now let me move me down again. I'm going to move me over here this time. to where it says download, and you're going to see this. You want the PNG. You need the PNG because then it won't be pixelated. And then you just click download, and there's your thumbnail with your brand. Okay? And that's how you do it. So I hope this helped you out on how to use Canva the right way for your thumbnails and how you can incorporate your banner in there. If you don't want to use your banner, you can use your logo or just your icon. Like mine would be the eyeball, but just to show you this, I had a friend do mine. Mine is actually this on a frame. It's this on top, and it has a half frame. If you're not good with graphic arts, this is the best way to do it. And I'm definitely not that advanced in graphic arts, but this is how you can import your banner so people can see that it's definitely you. Okay? For your thumbnail. So now you know how to use Canva to do an awesome banner and create branded thumbnails. Now remember, the algorithm likes faces, and they like to see the eyes real clear and stuff. So when you do your thumbnails, try to do it on that. Now, not all of them can be like that. I mean, you don't always want to show your picture. It can be kind of boring, depending on what it is. Like with me, I do mystery boxes, so I use colorful, bright mystery boxes that's going to attract. It makes people catch it and say, oh, wow. You want to make sure your pictures stand out. Okay? So, until I see you again, remember, always see with the heart and not the eyes, because what the eyes see isn't important. What's truly important is invisible to the eye because you see within, and that's what counts. And remember, you matter to me. You're important. You mean something to me. Yes, you out there. I love you for you. So until we see you again, mwah, thanks.